Hello smart people, Mr. Ace here. This video is for a Math 1 student. Today is Thursday, October 13, 2022. So today we're going to go over Quizzette 4 and then we're going to work on the calendar projects part 1. Alright, let's go over our Quizzette for the day. Okay, Quizzette number 4. So number 1, you're going to solve for the equation. So parenthesis means multiply. So you're going to multiply 3 into the parenthesis. We will have 3a plus 3 minus 5 equal to 3a minus 2. Alright, then we're going to combine in like term. We have 3 and negative 5 are like term. So we can combine them. 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Okay, then we're going to bring down 3a equal to 3a minus 2. Hopefully by now you can see some familiar concept here. How do you solve for a now? Okay, you're going to subtract 3a to both sides, minus 3a to both sides. 3a minus 3a will cancel each other out, right? And 3a minus 3a cancel each other out. So we end up with negative 2 equal to negative 2. Which is true. Negative 2 equal to negative 2 with a true statement. So that will give you many solutions. Many solutions. Okay. Now, number 2, problem 2. How do you solve for this problem? So you have 7y plus 3 plus 5 equal to 3. So first, you need to, this problem is a little weird. It's not like the same problem that we've been working on. You have positive 5 on the side of absolute value. So what we're going to do right now is get the absolute value alone by itself before you're breaking down in two cases. So what you're going to do is subtract 5 to both sides. Okay, that will give us 7y plus 3 equal to negative 2. Right? 3 minus 5 is negative 2. Alright, so now we're going to break it down in two cases. However, absolute value represents the distance. In this case, we have absolute value equal to negative number, equal to negative 2. So you cannot solve this because distance cannot be negative. The answer will be no solutions. No solution, sorry. Alright, that's it for number 2. Number 3. Okay, so we're going to solve for d. We need to get the variable on the same side. This is negative d, this is positive 4d. So what we're going to do is add d to both sides. 5 greater than 10. 4d plus 1d is 5d. Okay, then we're going to do is minus 10 to both sides. That will give you negative 5 greater than 5d. And then continue solving for d. You're going to divide by 5 to both sides. So negative 1 greater than d. And then we're going to switch them around. That will give you, we're going to keep the variable on the left side. That will give you d less than negative 1. Again, negative 1 greater than d, or the other way to think it is d less than negative 1. Alright, number 4. Choose the value for a and b to make the equation has one solution. So we want one solution. Okay, so first you're going to distribute 3 into parentheses. Okay, 3 times x is 3x. 3 times 2 will give you 6. Plus 2x equal to 8x plus b. Then we can combine in like term. 3x plus 2x, that will give you 5x plus 6 equal to ax plus b. Okay, to get a 1 solution, you want x is a remaining. You want x left over after you do the step. So a can be any number but 5. If a is 5, x will be cancel each other out. So one more time, a can be any number but 5. I'm going to choose 4. Okay, so that will give me remainder as 1 after you subtract 4x to both sides. B, I will choose any number. It doesn't matter which one you choose for B. I would say 1 to make it easy for me. Alright, to solve for x, you're going to subtract 4x to both sides. Right? So that will give you 1x remaining. Excuse me. Bring down the 6 and 1. 4x and 4x cancel each other out. So we're going to solve for x by subtract 6 to both sides. So that will give us 1 minus 6 is negative 5. And we bring down the 1x. Okay. If you want, you can continue divide by 1 to both sides. You still end up with x equal to negative 5 as the answer. And yes, you have one solution, which is negative 5. Alright, that's it for the Quizzette. Please take out your calendar projects. There's 2 handouts. One has some kind of scratch paper, and the other one has the calendar on it. Okay, we're going to talk about that in a couple minutes when you get ready. Alright, thanks guys for watching.